So, tractive effort. Tractive effort is the force generated by a vehicle to move forward. Like for example, in trains, tractive effort comes from the locomotive's power transmitted through its wheel to the rails. It is what makes the vehicle move forward and allows it to overcome resistance forces. It also depends on factors like engine power, traction, and the adhesion between the wheels and the surface. And the formula for tractive effort is F sub P equals to mass times acceleration plus aerodynamic resistance plus rolling resistance plus weight resistance. And for resistance is the force that opposes the vehicle's motion. It slows down the vehicle or limits its acceleration, requiring more tractive effort to maintain its speed or increase acceleration. There are three factors that affect a vehicle's movement, and these are aerodynamic resistance, rolling resistance, and brake or gravitational resistance. So for aerodynamic resistance, it can impact a vehicle's performance, especially at high speeds. It is the air pushing against the vehicle as it's moving forward. Like a car. A car experiences air pushing bumps against it, making it harder to move fast. The formula for aerodynamic resistance.
So, vehicle acceleration is the rate at which the vehicle's speed or direction changes over time measured in meters per second squared. So, ang formula ng acceleration is change in this velocity over change in time over the time taken. There are two types of vehicle acceleration. First is the linear acceleration. Straight line acceleration such as from 0 to 60 miles per hour. So meaning kapag positive acceleration means the vehicle is naka-taas ang speed, while negative acceleration means slowing down. So example dito kay kunwari ang sasakyan na nakapos sa isang kalsada, pag mo ng bilis ay tinatawag na rin ng acceleration. So the second type of vehicle acceleration is lateral acceleration. Side-to-side acceleration relevant in ordinary. So this occurs when a vehicle changes direction like in turn. Even if the speed remains constant, constant direction equals acceleration because velocity equals both speed and direction. So example naman dito kung wala ang sasakyan ay mabilis na natigaw sa kalsada. Ang pabilis na naman sa gilid ng
concept called MGA or miles per gallon. So ang fuel efficiency, isa na siya parang characteristic or feature sa vehicles na ginagamit sa term. Kung unsa ka efficient imong sakyanan, mugamit og gasolina or fuel. So efficient in a way na mugamit siya na gamay lang na fuel o na makatravel siya sa tako na lugar. So importance of fuel. So first, save money on gas. So oil prices are one of the major issues facing drivers today. Given the rising prices of fuel, it's probably time for you to consider saving money on gas. So the more fuel efficiency ang sakyanan, the less will need you move gas. Then so meaning makasave ka of money. Next is reduce carbon footprint. While you can try plenty of little things in your daily lives to reduce your carbon footprint, driving a car with a better fuel efficiency is undoubtedly the best way to fight climate change. So makahelp po din siya sa greenhouse gas sa atong community or sa Earth. So how to select fuel efficiency efficient vehicles?